Welded metal fragments form a seated female figure with flowing curves and dynamic detail. The worker skillfully peels away the tough outer layers of the artichoke, revealing the tender yellow core inside. The process requires high precision to preserve the shape and protect the delicate edible heart for cooking. A side wheel ejects, spins, and snaps back, creating a captivating kinetic effect. The apple is peeled in one continuous strip by rotating it with a straight knife. Steady pressure ensures even thickness and minimal fruit waste. An industrial braider weaves strands around the core in a precise pattern for making reinforced cables and tubing. High voltage discharges form permanent lightning-like patterns inside acrylic. Coins are precisely stacked in a symmetrical pattern to form stable structures without adhesive. The careful distribution of weight and center of gravity enables the creation of tall and complex models with architectural consistency. The AirTrack Sidewinder uses Mecanum wheels for omnidirectional movement in tight spaces. The 45-degree angled rollers let it move forward, backward, sideways, or rotate without reorienting.
This is incredible.
Metalworking operations such as induction bending, CNC milling, high-speed turning, and multi-axis laser cutting are executed with precision through automated programming. Each stage ensures optimal geometric accuracy and surface finish on metal components. The horse head is hand-carved from wood, stained and polished to highlight grain and lifelike detail. Rain Vortex at Jewel Changi forms a 40M indoor waterfall with precise flow and lighting effects. Layered foil and outlines create a sunlit anime-style artwork with vivid depth. A geometric puzzle with magnetic joints and hidden hinges allows dynamic folding via rotating polygonal modules. Multiple leather layers are die-cut, stitched in a zigzag pattern, and clamped to form a conical tube with a locked seam. Switch pen transforms into a 3D surface when pressed, using internal elastic mechanics to create a dynamic visual effect. Stained glass pieces are set in copper foil and soldered using the traditional foil method. Automated needle precisely fills ballpoint refills to ensure uniform, leak-free ink loading. A twisting machine bundles copper strands into a tight twist for better strength and electrical contact. Wooden cat-shaped puzzle pieces fit precisely into a frame, blending play with cognitive skill building. Copper wire is unwound, shaped, insulated, and spooled through a continuous manufacturing process. A custom kaleidoscope uses mirrors and lighting to create a vivid 12-point fractal-like star pattern. A CNC lathe uses a carbide tool to precisely turn a metal shaft, ensuring a smooth, uniform finish. High-pressure water restores grip by safely cleaning a dusty climbing hole. The skullflower rug is tufted with layered yarn to form vivid gradients and 3D texture. The wire stripper uses rollers and multi-slot blades to remove insulation cleanly from various cable types. A camera aperture-inspired tool generates precise spiral guides through controlled rotation. These lines guide the artist in sketching and shading a hyper-realistic eye. Serrated tray planter spaces seeds evenly in uniform furrows for efficient planting. Two-tone wood is carved into a lifelike garlic with realistic clove details. Bleach art uses precise squeezing on dark fabric to create sharp, high-contrast patterns through controlled color removal. Arctic blue blends tinted resin and heat for smooth blue gradients and a sleek finish. The ceramic mug handle holds a rotating marble in a sculpted cavity, blending pottery with interactive design. Curved glass pieces are joined with hand-bent lid came to form a detailed stained glass panel with elegant light refraction. This low-poly calico cat is 3D printed with sharp edges and clean lines, showcasing precise modular alignment and high print quality. A precision squeegee cleans the glass tabletop in circular motions, restoring a clear mirror-like shine. CNC milling sculpts the spoon's bowl with a ball-end mill, ensuring smooth contours and consistent depth. A blue dragon is hand-painted on compressed book edges, creating a hidden image that appears when pages are pressed together. Gold leaf is applied to a carved wooden frame using oil size adhesive for strong adhesion. Soft brushing secures the foil over fine details, creating a brilliant, lasting finish. A rotary slicer cuts the lime into thin, even rounds with steady pressure. The slices are then dehydrated for use in drinks or decoration. A heart-shaped mousse cake mimics cracked stone with black velvet coating and white glaze, echoing the kintsugi art style. Glass marbles roll through carved stone grooves, navigating a gravity-powered maze. Interconnected paths and drops create a smooth, dynamic motion sequence. A worker cuts angled grooves into a truck tire to create uniform rubber strips for recycling use. The artisan trims a leather-hard ceramic vessel with a loop tool to refine its base and form a foot ring. Precise, steady passes ensure symmetry and balanced proportions. Pellet feed is dispersed from above, prompting fish to surface and feed evenly. This method reduces competition and supports efficient nutrient absorption in dense aquaculture systems. The bamboo flute is shaped and tuned by hand for precise sound quality. Screen printing spreads ink through a metal template, then heat presses it onto fabric for sharp, lasting designs. Kinetic sand is shaped and sliced cleanly, showing its smooth, cohesive texture. The craftsman employs precision carving tools to sculpt wood by hand, forming intricate raised patterns with smooth curvature and sharp definition. Each cut demonstrates expert control of pressure and blade orientation in three-dimensional space. A diamond bit bevels stone edges for smooth, safe, and precise finishes. Copper foil tape is applied and burnished on glass edges to prep for precise stained glass soldering.